Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. I didn't know this, but Bose came out with another Q45 headphones. I mean, these look just like the Q45 headphones, except they don't call it Q45 anymore. They just call it QuietComfort now. So if you've been following Bose product lines, it's been the Q35, Q35 2, Q45, and now there's this one right here, and they all pretty much look the same. So anyway, when I saw this, I was like, wow, a new product, and I didn't even know about it. But anyway, so I just grabbed it and see if we can do a little sound test maybe, and see if it's any good or not. I'm pretty sure noise cancellation is gonna be fantastic because my kid actually loved QC45. For some reason, that's the only headphones that he wants to use. Yeah. So I think that's a testament right there. For the past 6 months, that's the only headphones that he's been using, and he's been using it every single day. It hasn't broke down on him yet. Yeah. Anyway, let's take a look at this, right? Here. Genius, Bose. Genius. Well, the same case as QC45, same material, hasn't changed at all. Yep, it looks, I mean, the inside, internal of the case looks exactly like it. I believe the whole packaging is the same as well, because I remember these little foam inserts right here. 3.5 millimeter USB-C cord in the box here. The way it folds, the same way. No changes at all. The way you turn off and on. Yep, that's the same, which is good. Don't get me wrong, guys. Same is good. Same is good for Bose because they already know that they do an amazing job at their headphones. These are one of the most comfortable headphones, I can tell you that, from my experience with the QC35, QC45, over a bunch of other headphones that I have, which there's some gaming headphones, but also like other like AirPod Max and things like that. I think Bose is the most comfortable headphones that you can probably get, because when you wear it on your ears for a long period of time, you don't feel that fatigue that you get with some of the other headphones. If you don't know what I'm talking about, check out the Beats or the AirPod Max. Yeah, it's hard. If you don't know the Bose line, let me just show you real quick. So the way that it works is that these headphones folds in this way, which is good because if you put it on your neck, so you see how your chin always touches it? Well, it's good that you can flip it that way, right? Which I have it backwards. Oh no, I don't. So yeah, you flip it that way. So you can still hear the sound coming out. I don't know. Maybe we'll walk around. This is a speaker. I don't know. But anyway, the purpose of it is that so that the chin doesn't hit it that much, especially if you have a big chin. Comfortability wise, I mean they've got it down to a science, guys. Yeah. And this is the furthest that you can pull it. Right here. And if you go that way, you get a lot more room, a lot more comfortable. Fully extended. My head's pretty big, okay? So don't judge it from my head, but fully extended. Fit right onto my ear. I guess I can go in 1 or 2 notch to make it a little bit fit a little bit tighter. But yeah, let's see here, the buttons. Yeah, the buttons pretty much the same. You got your middle button right here for pause and play, that kind of stuff, and then you got volume button. This button right here is the noise cancellation button, so you can turn that on or off. I believe with Bose there's 3 different modes. There's also an aware mode or something like that. So the cushion on the headband is pretty nice. Same leather quality right there. I believe these are real leather, by the way. They're not pleather. They feel really good. They still have that whole top leather right there, which, by the way, these do wear on you over time. That's what I've noticed with all the other headset that I have. Whenever they do some kind of leather up on top here, it does get worn out. Now, here's the thing though. I have seen accessory that you can get to where you can actually unscrew these and replace the top headband. So that's a good thing. Same cushion and everything. There's not much of a change from the QC45 over to this one, guys, from an aesthetic standpoint. The other thing is, I guess we're gonna do a little sound test for you and let you hear exactly how these sound. All right, so let's do it. All right, guys, so I've connected my Bose headphone to my iPhone. And then also I have this recording right here. Let me just show you real quick. You hear that? It's like a 3D binaural kind of headphones. And so what that does is that it's gonna give you the full experience of what this headphone should sound like. Now, if I turn up the sound too loud on this, it might get distorted, it might static, it cause some static. And so it's not from the headphones at all. And so I just want to apologize ahead of time. I don't know what it sounds like. I just can see that the peaking is going on. So anyway, but I'm going to turn it on as loud as I can with this. So make sure you wear your headphones so that I can blast your ears out. No, I'm kidding. But anyway, make sure you wear your headphones so that you can get the full experience on this, okay? Here we go. Okay, so first, let's see what mode we're on right now. I feel like I'm on a mode where I can hear myself pretty well. So probably.
Aware.
So it says this is aware mode.
Quiet.
Quiet, which is noise cancellation, I believe. First song. About 80–90%. So that right there, definitely a lot of bass on that one. I can actually hear it through my little headset here. I'm not sure if you guys can hear that or not, but let's try another song. Here we go. Another song. About 90% volume. Wow. I don't, is it just me or did they up the bass on these? I didn't feel like the QC45 or the QC35 has that much bass, or I didn't feel like Bose in general has that much bass, but this one seemed to be like upping the bass like the way JBL does with their headphones. I don't know. Some of you guys that own that, let me know. So what I'm going to do is let me find some airplane mode, airplane noise, I should say. Okay, so I got some airplane noise going on in the background right there. Let's go ahead and test this baby out. So I don't know what mode this is on. Let me check.
Aware.
This is aware mode.
Quiet.
This is quiet mode.
Aware. Quiet. Aware. Quiet.
Okay, so what do you guys think? Huh? Noise cancellation? Obviously, on a real airplane, the entire entire surrounding is going to be loud. This is just coming from one source, so the mic that's listening to that source, it's probably doing its job. But I just want to let you know that the environment might be different. But I feel like it's blocking out a lot of those noise already, like about 80% of the airplane noise. It feels like a Bose headphone. That's what I'm saying, is that it does block out a lot of the noise. You're still gonna hear that little hiss back there, but what it does is that when you're wearing this, you're probably gonna be hearing, you're listening to music as well, and so you're not gonna hear a lot of those noise at all after you turn on your music. So just an FYI on that one, okay? But yeah, I think noise cancellation is still top notch. No doubt about it. I mean, it's Bose. They're the pioneer of noise cancellation. So yeah, but I feel like this is just like the QC45. To be honest with you, I'm not sure if there's any really useful upgrades for it. Noise cancellation feels the same. The bass actually, okay, I take that back. I think I think the bass is upgraded for sure, because I've never heard Bose being this aggressive with their bass before. I don't know. You guys let me know if you heard the same thing that I heard. But yeah, that's how I feel. But yeah, guys, that's it right there. That's the brand new Bose QuietComfort. They don't call it the 45 or 35 anymore. It's just QuietComfort now. I don't know. So guys, there you go. I will see you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.